Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Rogue. We're going to go over how you would hook up your phone to have hands-free phone calling. So to start with, key is on, parked in the accessories position. The car could be started and running, but you would still be parked. You're going to tap this phone button, and then it's saying we got to do the connections. Now we're going to hit here for add a new one. Now they're waiting for something to find it. So you would go to your phone, and you're going to hit the scan. With your Bluetooth. And then you have your device here. It says My Rogue Sport. We're going to hit connect. And then we got to make sure that this same passcode here matches on our phone. And it does. So then we'll hit OK. And now it's saying that the phone is connected. And now, of course, it's asking me if I want to put my contacts in here. I'm not going to at this moment. And then also my call history, and we're not going to do that either at this moment. So the phone has been uploaded. Then you can go back. You can either on this screen of the phone number, so you can go back here, or you can hit phone. It brings you back up to this. You got your quick dial, which that would be like numbers that are already in there. You can hit that and be from your phone book or so forth, or numbers that you've called already. You can view your text messages and all your different connections. But if you want to just dial a number, you can hit the dial number, dial your phone number that you want to call, vice versa. But if you're, say, and then if you need to, say, delete your phone from the car that you're in, you can go back through the connections. And then you hit this setting. This is settings for the phone, knowing if your Bluetooth's on, device name, and the PIN. But if you're up to this screen, and this screen can have, I guess, one of 6 phones hooked to it, right? So from this screen, you've got your phone here, the list name of your phone. There's a little information icon here. You tap that. And then it'll call yes, phone book no. It's just saying what you have downloaded or not downloaded on there. And then you just have the delete option up here. You hit yes, and that will delete your phone and all of your phone book information from the vehicle of your 2019 Nissan Rogue. Then when you're done, you can either hit the back button or you can hit the home and the menu button over here to take you back to the beginning. So that's how you do that on this vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.